Whakaalo whātu mākou. We're at the Tamaki Regeneration place in Pamua. Gonna do a little presentation for Niue Language Week. And yeah, excited. Just got some beeps. People beeping for Fiji, I'm not sure. Yeah, we got the supporters.
Hello. Whakaalo whātu.
Yep. Okay. Michael, yeah. Yeah, so we're just gonna go in, see how it goes. Oh, I've got one of these.
That's amazing one.
Whakaalo whātu mākou, o si te e whakau. Man, uruala. Mi taki lahi. Whewhe lau tolu ke lau ngana ki a mau tolu. Ko mongo nei. Kai awhi awhi. Kai awhi awhi. Ei wheloto au ke kai ei hongi au. Si, yeah, mi taki, Pamua. Ko i Pamua. Pamua, tali au. Whakatali au ki Liam o Miss. Whiwhia la hoa. Yeah, so, yeah. It went well. Received well. Received whai tangata manako ke ako Vagahau Niue. Few Niue people in there with Niue kids. They want to learn the language, so yeah, a lot of half mixes out there. But it went well. Okay. Whakoelahi, Tamaki Regeneration, awesome hospitality. Koe kia. Whakaalo whātu mākou. In the gym now. Let's get a quick workout. Gonna train chest, flat bench, 4 sets, incline bench, 4 sets, cables, 4 sets. Might have a warm up before and a superset at the end. But yeah, and then do some triceps. Shout out to my brother Bowler, big bowler in Aussie. And this guy started in March. Look obese. You see him now? Shredded as hell. I should call him 6-pack bowler. Good on you, bowler. Killing it. And then also shout out to my beautiful body crew. Joe, Summer, Abdul, Sam. Keep it up, guys. We've got it this summer. We're gonna get there. We can get that body. Alright, see you doing. Kia. Whakaalo whātu mākou. Osi e whawhau sino. Mi taki e whawhau sino. Haya. Maua. You know, I just finished the workout, smashed it. Get it, guys. Get it. Whakaalo whātu mākou. Ko au i Favona primary school. Mo NAFO. Tau se whakau NAFO. It says kindergarten, but we're here for the NAFO project. Morning. Not sure where I'm going, but should be fun. So NAFO, shout out to Lolo and Mac, the Taki, tau Taki, ke tau se aho nei. Also Iruna, Joylyn, Peter, Anna. Man, I'm late, so I'm not sure where I'm going or what's happening, but hey, at least they came me. I'm gonna go and show up. It's speeches. It's a Niue speeches competition because it's Niue Language Week. Just walking through. Hate showing up late to things, but I had no choice. Family duties. But yeah, just coming to the entrance. Packed, man. So many people here. So I think so many people excited to get their kids in. So yeah, just have to rock up and show face. Yeah, but oh well, we'll see what happens. Catch you later.
Okay. To all our speech makers, Wakawilahi.
Mai ki te fotu i tau au mahaloto. Mai te futa mai na tolu mai wha. Savona mulai mai haula Favona. Bailey, Ketra Low mai haula Romandale. Whakaluhaki, whakaluhaki. Whakatuku mai te mua whakaluhaki. Hindi daw rin nilunga. Hindi sinara. Final masa. Final masa. Final masa. Sa final, malakulay mo ka.
Họ lọc lấy hết tụi em. Họ cũng mới hè hôm nay cái lần mà tới hè thì phi đi ăn thì tao phán đâu cả. Còn tao không mà ta ăn là tôi là ăn thì mà hồi này chỉ lấy phía cái xiên quá. Tao lo mà biết được phán đâu nếu mày cái mà ta là bia rồi này tao là tôi là cái tu hai cái mua bia mình đầy lo là tôi là ăn thì mà hồi này là mình tao và tao sẽ to sale ý lối cái mà hồi này cái ấy họ quay hai cái bia cái mua nó kita fano to ta kita ke lo tu kutu lo tu lo to lo ke ha ke tu si fa kom ri le tu ha lo tu lo tang ho ma na pi ting tu mo tu ne mo ke lang tai sang dai la hi fia ke lang ba tai ke tu ha lo ang ni mai ke tu fano ke lo ai lo tu lo ska ko lo ha ni wi
Fakoi.
Koe whakamalo atu, ke lali, ke whakaleo, he kalama. Ka loa koe he whakaleo e kalama a, e, i, o, u, e ti mena ke taumali koe.
Fakoi.
Nga tōru mai whā, ko Conrad, Yakimatangi, Tauki.
He heard us.
Ko ia, le tū ua. Ko Celia, aka kiu kiu. Tau tua e tam whaka tōl, ko Jackson Anito.
Tama Niue, mata kilunga. Tama Niue, mata kilunga. Tama Niue, tuke mau. Whakalofa, hopi atu kia, tau tu hosi ko mai ke palataha mai. Ke he liu whare me, ke māne atu me. Whakalofa lahi atu ke he tau whanau osi. Ko mai ke whakalataha ke whakamatau whakamatalaanga te toko.
Whakalofa lahi atu ki he tau Niue katoa ne tākele whano ke he lalo lagi. Whakalofa lahi atu ki a muturu koe hao nei, koe aho whakamatalanga whetoko he tau whanau, he tau aonga i o kalana. Tō tahe furufuruola, he longona, halau tūrua tau leo mahofi hofi, tau leo lolongo, tau leo whakatuitala poke Vagahau Niue. O ui tutulo ki a mutulu e tau mamatua ne whai lali, ke whakamalolo, ke whakaako, whakaonga e Vagahau Niue, ke a whakatulewa, e Vagahau Niue mo tau anga whakamotu mai tau atu hau. Ki a monuina tau tuhosi, kitu ea.
Shoo! Fakoi.
Whakalahi atu, koe ngā hako ko malama kutuanga whakawilahi ki tau mapo he la mea. O whakatoa me makola, me tau malolo ke tau whanau ke taki tau taha mai tau au. Ane naki ni ke whakahoro i mua e tau mahua, me tau whakatoa anga he tau anga, ia whuki me tau matuanya ngā matekei, monui ne aho.
Fakoi.
Whakalahi atu ma whaitama ko John, whakawilahi ke aho, ko tōrehe ririfu me pukurola. Ako mitaki lahi tau mahua he aonga Favona. We quite like it, especially the team of NAFO. Awesome. Young people, young ideas, it's lovely. I enjoy it. Thank you very much for the day. God bless.
Ia whakailahi mahaki, nui nei aho. Whakailahi ke whakaholoanga he BNT bia whoki me matakau e NAFO. Ui tulo bia hoa ngā halotu.
Yep.
Koe kupu, kalawhai atu kam tōru ke lata mai whahita nei, koe whahita puku Niue, koe kupu ke
whāta mai honei, ni pihe mai matalahi. Matalahi. Matalahi, koe proud ai a whakapāpalangi. Matalahi au, koe whiwhine Niue. I'm proud to be a Niue woman. Kau e lahi ke mnuine, whahita puhau Niue.
Koe.
Kalawhalai atu ke mtulu esi ko whanongonongo mai. Tōlahi e mitaki me mahuinga e tau whakamatalanga e tau whanau he ao nei. Kau e lahi ko whanongonongo mai. We are so proud of our kids today. And whakatūlewe Vagahau Niue ke lata mai tau watu hau. Koe kia.
Kau e lahi i ko hoi aha tō tai whawhiroa. Ruinga e lata mai tau whanau. Mua te kati matua, ne lau matua. Whakatūlewe. Lata mai kupu whakatūlewe. E Vagahau Niue. Lata mai matua ni ke lau matua tau whanau. Leo, sio haki ke te hake te whanau ke mutu. E kisia mona e anga mo ngata Niue. Takai mo. Hei e te tūra mga. Nā whamarolo, e te matua ke mga hau ke te whanau.
Yeah.
Rinea.
Whakaoe, monunea. This is Iruna, au matua. Pepe aho?
Mawhaga.
Mawhaga.
Yeah, mawhaga.
Whakaoe? This is the man of the hour, Mac. He's done all the lōranga hua. How did it go, Mac?
Really well. Yeah, really happy. Heard the Vagahau Niue today, and also heard the very early spoken with our children who've never spoken Niue at the beginning of the year.
Wow.
And they tried out today, 3 of them, so very proud.
Wow.
Yeah. From Rowendale School.
Oh!
Hey.
Represent.
So, great experience for them to see Favona and what it's involved in speaking in Vagahau Niue. And yeah, hopefully we'll get better next year.
Yeah.
Yeah, and more entries. Yeah, whaole.
Whakaoe. Whakaalo whātu mā kou. Welcome back. Whanau ki aonga e Tama Haku, Tama Jackson. Whanau ki aonga e Wahanga ha Jackson ke whakaako ki a tau Tama I tau Niueanga whakamotu. Hey, what's up peeps? So just got back, liu mai au, mongonei, I just got back from my son's school. Yeah, I was able to, the teacher asked if I could teach them something about Niue, because it's Niue language week, so I had the privilege, was teaching them about the takalo, how to do the takalo, and how to hunt for unga. Yeah, man, it was an awesome experience. They received it well. Man, they were using Niue words in class. It was funny. It was funny because I didn't think growing up I ever had that opportunity where someone would come in my classroom and teach the Vagahau Niue. So it was awesome. It was great. Got to see Jackson. Hopefully he gets a bit more, he gets more inspired to learn his language, his culture. It was awesome. Yeah. So now I'm just back at home. I do some training. My daughter's sick, so e mai ke au ki whanu ki gym, so I'll just gym at home. I just do some training, get in shape. Summer's on the way, so just gotta be creative, in how you get that workout in. Eat my veggies, yeah. So pretty good, man. Today aho fuluala aho nei. Yeah. Today is Thursday, so Niue language week ends on Saturday. So yeah. My daughter's birthday too coming up on Saturday, so I'm thinking of having an ear piercing for her. Oh, see, Huki Silinga. Okay, take care. Kia monuina. Oh yeah, just want to say shout out to Lolina Vai. Man, thanks for supporting the channel. Also, thanks for telling me about a new business out in GI. I think it's called Lisa's Kitchen. Might have to. That's in my neighborhood, and I don't think I've ever heard of a new restaurant selling food. So might be in the next video coming up. Come and check it out. In GI, Apirana Road, somewhere near Pack and Save. Thanks, Lorena. Thanks for the comments and supporting. Thank you to your family for watching. Hope you guys are good. Okay, maybe the next video will be in GI, or maybe my daughter's ear piercing. Not sure. Okay, koe kia.